is koud net, meisje. Het is net te hudgen. Wat is het koud net, hé? Die vannacht weer wel min zon.
Ja, joh.
Ja, weer min zon. Oh, jakkie. Ja, hier steek eens een vlog maken zo van. Ik wil alle dagen vloggen. Dus je hebt poging 2 van alle dagen vloggen.
Geweldig.
Nou, het wordt dus echt ontzettend koud dat wordt, dus vanmorgen. Ze zijn misschien koud, dus zet hier mijn leven daarin door. Oh, godskes. Jezus. Ze moeten nou ook al vers water hebben, want ik denk dat vannacht ik bij vers en water gewoon had. Zo. Nou, juist alleen butten zien al bij versen. Dus het is goed koud. Zo, huppakee, ja. Nou, die koffie weer wel lekker. Het is belangrijk om met dit warme drank te drinken, want daar bloost namelijk lekker warm van. Dat doen we net lang meer, dan kun je weer terug graag in naar Rieder. Hoe is dat redens? Is dat fantastisch?
Ja,
Hey, bliksem! Wie doet dat? Doe jij dat?
Yeah, he has a remote.
Yeah, remote's here, so.
Oh, you have a remote?
Yeah, I just got it yesterday, so.
Oh, yesterday?
Yeah, it's still brand new.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, the wheels are still orange.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's still intact, yeah.
And how, you just have a remote?
Yeah, just a remote, yeah.
You go you stand on it and it goes.
Exactly. If it goes over 20 kilometers an hour, then the police can stop you. But I'm just praying that they won't.
No,
and plus I can always put my foot down and I don't think it's that obvious that it's a electric. It's extremely responsive, so yeah.
Yeah,
it's like
of course, yeah.
You can skid out pretty easily. Yesterday I took it out in the snow and we were shredding through the snow. It was a lot of fun, yeah, because it was a little bit wet and it was just like the bottom edges when I was taking a curve onto the snow, the wheels just spun out a little, so that was a lot of fun. All right, take care. You have a good one.
Yeah, we'll do a box
all
like
right,
this.
that was good, right? There we go. Take care.
Geweldig.